Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Upwork to your local bank account. This is essential for freelancers who want to receive their earnings directly into their personal bank account without delays or extra fees. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all your freelancing activities. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Upwork account, including payment preferences. Once you're in the Account Settings page, focus on the left sidebar. Here you'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Withdrawals. This section is dedicated to managing how you receive your payments from Upwork, whether through bank transfers, PayPal, or other methods. Next, click on Add a Method. This will open up the available withdrawal options that Upwork supports. Look for the option labeled Direct to Local Bank. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Set Up. Go ahead and click on it to begin configuring your bank details. You'll now need to enter your BRTSN code in the designated field. After typing it in, click Search. This code helps Upwork identify your specific bank and ensures that your money reaches the correct financial institution. Following that, you'll be presented with several fields to fill in. Enter your account number, SWIFT code, first and last name, name on account, address, city and state, country, and phone number in their respective designated fields. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate, as any mistakes could delay your withdrawal or cause it to fail. After filling in all the required information, you'll notice a checkbox beside a statement that reads, "I attest that I am the owner and have full authorization to this bank account." Check this box to confirm that the bank account belongs to you and that you have permission to use it for receiving funds. Once you've checked the box, click Next to proceed. The system will review your information and prepare the next step of the setup process. After a moment, you'll need to click Next again to continue. Now select your preferred withdrawal schedule. Upwork offers different options for how frequently you want to receive your earnings, so choose the one that best fits your financial needs and workflow. Finally, click Next one last time to complete the setup. Your local bank account is now connected to your Upwork account, and you're all set to receive your hard-earned money directly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.